What's up, Mike RC fam? Today we're in the RC workshop. Don't really have a whole lot going on at the moment, but I wanted to just show you guys a little package I got today. So we finally went on Amazon and I bought a couple of things that I think is going to make RCing around here a little bit easier. So let's unbox it and see what we get. I guess unbag it technically. Okay, so what we have here, let me bring you guys in a little closer. So we have this aluminum transmission. We have these bit drivers because I've never had a set of these, so I'll be able to use my driver tool to work on the car. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I just got home from work. And then we have these traxxas to XT60 adapters. And the reason I got these is because in the last video when we were unboxing the Rustler, we bought some traxxas lipos. So I'm going to be able to use these with all my other cars so I can run the lipos in whatever I want. So that's what these are for. Like I said, these are to work on the car. And this is the main thing I wanted to show you guys. I'm also waiting on one more set of parts that kind of have something to do with this, but let's go ahead and open this and give it a look. So this is a billet aluminum two-wheel drive traxxas transmission. So you can see real nice. It's got some sort of heatsink pucks built in. But the main reason I like this transmission design that I was looking at, and there's no guts in it, so you got to transfer them from your normal two-wheel drive trans all into this, is because there's no plate right here, or there's no back right here, which means we should be able to run whatever motor we want. And my goal, hopefully, be able to fit this big 1717 that I've had kicking around that doesn't fit anything I have. So I'm hoping I can kind of make this somehow line up. So I'm going to kind of mess with the holes a little bit and see if I can't get this to fit. But we would do something like that, and then we would put this in something to overpower. What I'm thinking, and I'll do probably a separate video all about this, is we have this old extended slash I built a long time ago, but it's obviously in pieces now, in shambles. So it would be nice to be able to put that transmission on this with that big old motor, and then, you know, we'll extreme build the driveline and we can make a speed car or a sand car or something out of this. But the good thing about this car being so long is it's extremely stable, so you can put a crap load of power. I have tons of room for batteries, so this is all going to be in a separate video. I just right now wanted to show you guys the transmission. So like I said, I'm going to try to see if I can't get that motor to work. Worst case, it doesn't work. I know for a fact that just a normal is a 1515 2200 motor will fit just fine. It would be kind of epic if we could fit this big old 2028 motor, but I don't think that'll fit. But wouldn't that be freaking crazy, guys, if we somehow fit a 2028 motor in a two-wheel drive trans? I mean, the motor's so heavy it'd be pointless, but it'd be kind of cool to do just to try it out. But yeah, real quick, just wanted to show you guys this. I don't know if this is going to be its own video. I might just slap this at the end of one of my other ones, but that's it. So that's kind of it for now. We're still waiting on some other little goodies to get here, but we'll probably do a video of me putting this thing together, trying to put the motor on it, and just kind of go from there. So thank you for watching.